Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurjin Romano Sebastian and my student ID number 20525101. So I make this video for my final exam. This is for only reading. Intensive course English reading. So let's start. So this is the text I choose. It was the first day of school, and Josh knew it was not going to be a good one. It was only 8:10, and he was already running late, and he had gotten into a row with his mother. So, as he started down the path to catch the bus, he felt bad about leaving his mom still sore. So Store waited just a moment before shutting the bus door. So Josh froze in his tracks as he watched the bus pull away. Now he would have to go back. He would have to go back home and not only face his mom, but also ask her for a ride to school. Josh squeezed his eyes tight for a moment, then opened them wide. His mom said this relieves tension. He hoped she was doing it too. Then he shoved his hands into pockets and walked back home. So mom didn't even look shocked to see him. When he came back in the door, it was more of glare. Josh even know what that mean. I told you. So rather than trump up some defense for himself, he just apologized and sweetie asked for a ride to school. Mom's face softened and she went to get her case. So this is for today's video about my final exam or OAS. So thank you for paying attention and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's break it down the street.